Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Reset your Face ID. For that, launch the settings menu. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Here you need to reset your Face ID. Wait for few seconds. Then set up your Face ID again. Now tap on Get Started. Position your face within the frame. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Now tap on Continue. Now again move your head slowly to complete the circle. Now tap on Done. Solution 2. Check accessibility settings. For that, launch the settings menu. Then tap on Accessibility. Now scroll down and tap on Face ID and Attention. Here you need to turn on Require Attention for Face ID. Enter your iPhone passcode. Here you need to turn on Attention Aware feature. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now turn on Haptic on Successful Authentication. Solution 3. Reboot your iPhone. For that, press and hold the side button and one of them the volume button until the power off slider appear. Now drag the slider to power off. Now wait for few seconds until your device turn off completely. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo.